How to transfer from Google Authenticator to Authenticator app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Authenticator and you'll find three lines on top left corner of your screen. Click on that and click on Transfer Codes. This kind of screen will pop up. Click on Export Codes. Then make sure you take screenshot of this QR. Press on Next and remove exported codes. Click on Done. Then install a new Authenticator app. Click on plus button. Then you'll find Scan QR code. Allow camera permission and make sure you scan your QR code in here and all your codes will be transferred in this app. And that's how you transfer from Google Authenticator to Authenticator app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.